we've just done Australia, where you can get the grilled sweet and spicy bushberry shrimp with pineapple, pepper, onion and snap peas, the grilled lamb chop with mint pesto and potato crunchies, and the Lamington, which is a yellow cake dipped in chocolate and devil food, shredded coconut.
My favourite thing out of all of those was actually all of them. I thought they was all delicious. The lamb chop was especially nice with the mint pesto or whatever it was on top and the crisps. The shrimp had a really nice kick to it. I don't think it was too spicy. Nice sweet and sour taste. And the Lamington just tasted like a Bounty bar with cake.
Yeah, I agree with everything Michelle says. I thought it quite weird to mix pesto with potato crunch, which was actually raw crisp, but to be fair, it went really nice together. Lamb chop was absolutely lovely, and the shrimp with the almost like a salsa was really, really good indeed.